Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, lathes, saws, welders, and much more. Today we're going to show you a really nice lathe we just finished painting going through. This is a Leblond Regal, one of the most popular, longest lasting brands around. Right now we have everything on. We'll go ahead and show you the functions of the machine. Here you can see the chucks moving. We also have the lead screw in motion. Go ahead and put it into threading mode. Right here you notice the dial turning. Go ahead and pull it out of threading. Put in a longitudinal feed now. You notice right here is the feed selector. And down, out, and down. And now we have our cross feed. You notice there's a 3-jaw chuck, nice 4-way tool post. There's a little bit of tooling here on the ground, some nice cutters, as well as a face plate and a drill chuck. There's also another one right here, a live center right in the back. Show you in reverse. We'll go ahead and change the speed here. You can see here it's at a higher speed rate. I have the mic on right here so you can see him right next to the head. No chatter. Everything sounds good in there. We've checked all the speeds and gears on this machine, and it's ready to go. If you're interested in this lathe or any other, we carry all new and used lathes, CNC lathes, as well as the tooling for them. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.
Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of